When I am approaching a loon, I go very slow. If the loon wants nothing to do with me approaching it, then I back off because I don't want to invade their space. You don't chase them. You basically let them come to you. It may take years to gain a certain loon's trust, where they get to know that you're no threat to them. Normally you need a telephoto lens because you don't want to be on top of the loons. You can get some really awesome shots and still be 100, 200 feet away from them, no problem. You have to have lots of patience. I have sat on the lake for hours and never got one good shot. And then one day, when the light's perfect, the weather's perfect, I can get hundreds of shots that I have a hard time figuring out which one I want to keep. I always shoot the golden hour, the hour before sunset or after sunrise. Normally the water's calmer, which is easier to get better shots because it's more stable. I always have the sun to my back and the sun is shining on the loon. And lots of times I will focus on the eye and wait for the catch light to hit that eye to really make that eye pop. It might not happen overnight, it might take a while, but it's a rewarding experience to get those pictures that you're after.